பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Uh, Good evening, one and all. Warm welcome to you all for this wonderful webinar section by BTR Construction Erode. Once again, thank you for all. Today's chief guest are Logaraja sir, Assistant Professor, Sethu Institute of Engineering and Technology, Virudunagar. Okay, a brief introduction about the chief guest. Engineer Logaraja obtained his BE Civil Engineering 2015 and ME Structural Engineering from Anna University, Chennai in 2017. His area of specialization are special concrete, structural dynamics, and earthquake engineering. He published 10 peer-reviewed international journals, 6 national and international conferences. He delivered motivation speech on engineering students and 2 guest speakers in Engineering and Polytechnic College. He is the reviewer for journal Technologies and Innovative Research, the Journal of Structural Technology, and Journal of Recent Activities in Infrastructure Science. He has received Students Scientist Award from Tamil Nadu Science City, Chennai. He is currently working Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering at Sethu Institute of Technology, Autonomous, Virudunagar District of Tamil Nadu. I welcome you, sir. Good sir. Stage is yours, sir. You will start, sir. Sir, sorry for the interruptions. The voice is not clear. Please wait for 1 or 2 minutes. I will connect the another network also. There's some problem to connecting. So, okay, sir, you can start it, sir. No problem. You continue this side also, sir.
Please go to slide number 3. Yeah, already we have discussed this. Who are all completing the engineering UG or PG degree, and then if you want, I want to complete the PG degree in the arts and science, students are eligible to write the GATE examinations. And then if you want to study, I want to pursue in the higher studies, or I want to get a job, so can I able can write the GATE examinations. Nowadays, pre-final year students also eligible to can write the GATE examinations. So our main ultimate aim is there are two things. If you want, sir, I want to write the GATE exam. So there are two important things. So first thing is I want to go to higher studies, or another thing is I want to get a job. So normally, if you are a pre-final year or final year students, you can eligible to write the gate examination. First thing is a gate examination. Why are they are conducting the gate exam? The gate examination means student able to understand the concept from the for the past 3 years or past 4 years to apply their knowledge. So they so you can identify that you can who you are. So that's what it very much helpful for us. So all the engineering or science background students can eligible to write the GATE exams, as well as PG postgraduate students from the arts and science students also they can eligible to write the GATE examination. Okay, please next slide, sir. See the list of the GATE papers there are in this year in the year 2022 the GATE uh, team national exam is conducting team totally 29 papers offered in the GATE papers. In this year, introduced two new papers. First one is the geomatics and the another is the naval architecture and marine engineering. In this year, introduced the two new papers. Totally 29 papers are there in the GATE.
Logaraja sir. Logaraja sir, are you there, sir? Sir, Logaraja sir, are you there, sir?
Sorry, next slide. Next.
Okay. Sir, some voice is not audible, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, sir, now it's here, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
next
yeah, sir.
slide. Uh, yeah, important dates. You are all keep in mind its online application process already started 30th August 2021. In this year, closing date of the regular online registration application process 24th September 2021 is the last date for the closing date. Normally, GATE exam 2022 examination there are two sessions, forenoon session and afternoon session. They tentatively started the 5th February 2022 and 6th February 2022. 12th February 2022, 30th February 2022. These are the GATE 2020 examinations. Announcement of the result in the online applications portal in the Thursday, 17th March 2022. You have these are default things. If you write the GATE examinations, when you are getting the result in
Sir,
17th
Logaraja
March
sir,
20.
sorry for the interruption. Please go for a little bit slow, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Uh, mm, if you get a result in 17th March 2022, probably you can expect it within 2 or 3 weeks you get it from the Bell or Gale, any one of the government aided organization get a receive from the job recruitment letters from the companies. Every year it will happens in the every year. So all of you keep in mind. I don't want to get a higher studies. I don't want to. I want to go for a job. First of all, before you are choosing the, if you want to write the GATE examination, you have to fix in mind. I want to go for higher studies or else a job. So yeah, then only you can prepare accordingly. So you all keep in mind online process already started on the ending date 24th September 2021. Okay, next. Normally GATE application female candidate per paper, 750 rupees regular period. If you want to apply the 30th August to 24th September 2021, you have to pay the 750 amount. During the extended period after the 25th September to 1st October 2021, you have to pay the 1250. For the SC/ST PWD category candidates per paper, you have to pay the 750 amount, and then during the extended period 1250, and then all other candidates you have to pay the 1500, and during the extended period you have to pay the 2000 rupees. Okay, next. Okay, what is the benefit of the passing the gate? Sorry, if I want to clear the I want to qualify the gate examination. You can able to eligible to apply the admissions for the IASC, Indian Institute of Technology. You can able to study ME master degree in master in technology in IITs and the NITs, and also you can able to study in admission in the Singapore and German university. Few of universities offering in the admissions in, if you are qualified in the gate exam. For example, National University Singapore offer if you are qualified in the gate examination, you can able to apply the NU National University of Singapore. And then after that, this is the first thing benefit. First benefit is you want to go higher studies, you can you can you must apply to the gate examination. If you are qualified means you can able to join IISc and IITs or NITs. Or else I want to go for abroad countries means for the particularly Singapore and some German universities. If you are qualified gate exam, you can apply in the Singapore and German universities. This is the first things for higher studies. And next thing, job in PSUs, public sector units. It helps you to clear the ISRO, DRDO, IAS, TNPSC, and TRB, SSC, and other competitive exam. If you are qualified the gate examinations, you can able to write, and you can easily clear to the IAS or TNPSC or any other competitive examination. Next, some government aided next, sir. Top colleges for MTech and ME. NUS, National University of Singapore, NTU, Singapore, IISc and Bangalore, and 17 IITs. You can able to apply the M master degree or PhDs. If you are if you qualified in the gate examinations, normally government offers within this 12,500 for the stipend for the PG degrees and 25,000 for stipend for the PhD scholars. University of colleges, you can for the eligibility, if you are qualified gate exam, you can join these colleges, NIT Trichy, Warangal, and etc. University colleges also. Next. PSU signed with the MOU with the GATE. 32 public sectors undertaking, they having already signed with the MOU with the GATE for use the GATE 2022 course. So a screening tool for recruiting engineers at the entry level position. For example, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, Indian Oil Corporation, Naval Illumination. Several more than 15 plus companies offering the job procurement for recruiting engineering at the entry level positions. So if you are qualified in the GATE examination, you can apply in the directly position. Maximum almost in GATE, if you are qualified, 70% of the GATE mark and remaining 30% of mark interview are based upon the interview. You have to select particular companies. You can join as a graduate engineers. Next, sir. Next, these are the companies, sir. If you are qualified in the GATE examination, you can able to apply these companies. Next, sir. Okay. These are the importance of the GATE examination. What are the already previous layer we have discussed about the importance, and then what are the benefits of the GATE. So now as a pre-final year or final year students or graduate students, how to prepare the GATE examination. First thing is you need to prepare the selected topics of the syllabus, particularly specialization you are supposed to give the examination. You have to prepare first. You have to collect the syllabus. What I want to study. For example, if you want to write a GATE exam in civil engineering field, you can get a syllabus from the GATE website. First, you have to need to prepare the selected topics. So, what are the topics are you know, and what are the easiest topics? You have to segregate the first easiest and the toughest topics. These are the things. First, you have to prepare the selected topics of it from the syllabus and refer the old question papers and note down the important topics asked. Usually, they are asking. Some of the subjects they are asking like frequently, so you can based upon the refer the old question paper and note down the important topics also. Concentrate more on the common topics, try to learn basic things is very much important. You will GATE exam, ultimate aim of the GATE examination, students applying the concept. What are the things that they have studied in the past 3 years or past 4 years. They you can apply the concept and then concept in this. So the main importance, if you want to apply the concept, means you must know the basic fundamental things. So all of you must thorough about the basic fundamental things. Have a habit. So you have to create the and then write down the formulas, important formula, note down the, you take the notes, and then you have to prepare accordingly. Next. And read only thing that you do not know. Skip those topics you are already know. So this will save your time. Yeah, obviously. If you are already some of the topics very easily able to understand, so you can after you have to complete the portions, you can skip then you can go for the next topic. So you can save the time discussing the topic with your seniors or teachers and a group of friends. So when started discussing, it's a more mind work better than the single mind. So discussion is very much important thing. So because why I'm saying that if it wrong answers may decrease the overall performance in terms of the gate score. So follow what are the things that you have to follow. The first thing is you have to collect the syllabus, and then you have to point out the selected topics. So based upon the topics, you have to prepare accordingly. So then you have to go through the website. You have to see the previous year question paper, and then you have to see the weightages of papers, and then you have to prepare accordingly. Best thing is you have to collect the textbook, and then uh, uh, don't use the local author books. So you have to write the in number of mock tests. The mock test is helpful for the better improvements. Okay, next. Highlight of the GATE examination. GATE score is valid for 3 years. The all the GATE exam registration process more than online. Uh, the GATE exams will have a numeric answer question apart from the multiple choice question. Candidate qualified the GATE examination and stipend with 12,500 per month of their PG program and 25,000 plus HRA for the PhD program. If you are qualified the GATE examination, you can get a stipend for the 12,500 per month for the PG program and 25,000 for PhD program. Next. Highlight of next the mode of the examinations online. Number of questions they have to ask in 65 questions, total mark 100. Type of question, multiple choice question, multiple selective question, and NAT. Languages of question paper is English. Next, sir. Type of question. For this multiple choice question, 1 by 3 negative marks for 1 mark question. Just keep in mind, multiple choice question means they are given the three options or 4 options, A, B, C, D. For the 1 mark question, there are 1 by 3 negative marks for the 1 mark question and 2 by 3 negative marks for 2 mark questions. For multiple selective questions means there is a no negative marks. It means what is mean by multiple selective questions means nothing but for this, if there is asking a one question, they give answer for 2 or 3 answers are correct. It means more than 2 answers is correct answers. So if it is wrong, if for example they are asking one question, say answer is A, B, C. There are 4 options A, B, C, D. A, C, D is a correct answer. Okay. For if you are right in the A and C, you are mentioned that A and C means there is no mark, there is no partiality. So if you mention the A, C, D means you can give a full marks. Otherwise, there is no marks. It means a multiple selective questions, multiple answers are there. So next thing is a numerical answer type of question. It's nothing but fill in the blanks. These questions also there is a no negative mark. Next, sir. Question pattern. There are general aptitude sections carrying the 10 questions, total mark 15 marks. Section A, engineering mathematics. The section contains 11 questions carrying a total 15 marks, in which 7 questions carrying a 1 mark each and 4 questions carrying a 2 marks each. Some questions may be a numerical answer type. And any two, next thing is section B. You see, for example, if you want to choose a mechanical or civil, this section B is your technical paper. A technical paper means 22 questions carrying a total of 35 marks, 9 questions carrying a 1 mark, and 13 questions carrying a 2 marks. Some questions may be a numerical answer type. Next, sir. These are the question pattern. Then normally, if you want to write the engineering science or science and humanities or science and engineering science and technologies, the commonly general aptitudes is 15 questions and engineering mathematics 13 questions and subject paper 72 questions. Totally 100 marks. These are the question pattern for the GATE 2022. Next, sir. See, GATE subject wise weightage. So, first thing is, sir, I want to choose a civil engineering or mechanical engineering, sir. I want to write the GATE exam for electrical or any kind of people. First, you have to, first important thing is you have to collect the syllabus. Then based upon the syllabus, you have to go through the website to collect the previous year question paper to get from the weightage of the subject. For example, I will give you some examples for different subject. These are the things that asking from the last year. For example, GATE syllabus, GATE exam 2021 for civil engineering, topic wise weightage. For example, strength of material SOM 7.75% weightage of the GATE exam. There are 7.75 means they are asking the questions 7% the questions are asking from the strength of material SOM paper. And structural analysis 3.5. And from fluid mechanics and hydraulic mission 6.75. And geotechnical 15.25. General aptitude, mathematics, engineering mathematics common 15 percentage, engineering mathematics 12.25 percentage. Remaining there are 12 environmental engineering 9 percentage. First, if you get from the weightage from the website, for example, you have to study from the accordingly. For example, if for the civil engineering paper, geotechnical, they are question 15% are questions asking from the geotechnical. So you have to prepare accordingly. First thing is you have to prepare geotechnical, and the next thing is fluid mechanics. Then next is SOM. So if you want to study GATE for any branches, you have to prepare from the subject, from the weightage of the subject. You have to prepare the weightage of the subject. Then only you can get clear easiest way. Otherwise, you can prepare some of the subject is the weightage is very less, for the 3%, 5%. Instead of you have to concentrate the high weightage of subject, so you can get answer from the maximum question asking from the subject. So we can able to attend the answers is very easiest. So you have to prepare accordingly for the next subject. Next thing is GATE syllabus for the computer science engineering. For the computer science engineering, already I have said that normally engineering mathematics and the general aptitude weightage is common. Should not exceed for the engineering mathematics 12 to 14% for the expected weightage. For computer science department for programming and the data structures 10.5% of weightage in questions asking from the program and data structure. If you are the computer science student, so first you have to study in the programming and data structures, and after that computer organization on the architecture is 9% of weightage, and the next thing is theory of computations is 7.5%. So if you are prepare based upon the weightage, then you can able to attend and you can solve the problems very easiest. First thing is you have to collect the syllabus and weightage. You must go through the weightage of the each subject. So then after that you have to prepare accordingly. Okay. Next, sir. Next, GATE syllabus, electrical engineering topic based weightage. For the electrical engineering department, analog and digitals, and this 11.25% expected weightage of the questions asked from the analog and digitals. And then power system, 9.75% of questions asked from the power system, and the signal and systems, 8.5% is the questions weightage of 8.5% of questions asked from the signal system, and network theory, 11.75% is the questions asked from the network theory. For the electrical people, network theory and analog digital, so both are 11, almost 11 to 12% of questions asked from the these two subjects. So first thing is you start prepare from the network theory or analog digital uh, uh, electronics. That's what you can very easiest to if you concentrate the high weightage subject, then after that you can very easiest to complete the below our weightage subjects. Next. Next, electronic communication engineering. For the electronic communication engineering, network theory and communication systems are more than 11% of questions are the weightage of the questions asked from the network theory and the communication system. And after that, signal and systems, 9% of questions. And analog circuit, 11.75% of the questions asked from the electrical and communications engineering. Next. Then for the mechanical engineering students, manufacturing engineering, 14.25% of question expected weightage of the question asked from the GATE 2021. And then next after the engineering manufacturing engineering, that thermodynamics, 12.75% of question asked from the GATE 2021. And fluid mechanics, 7.5%, and theory of mechanics, 9% of questions asked from the previous year. Next. See, normally for the GATE 2021 statistics, around 9 lakh students are applied in the GATE 2021 examination. Almost 7 lakh students only written the GATE examinations. Applied 9 lakh students last year. 9 lakh students are applied in the GATE examinations. Only 7 lakh students only attend the GATE examinations. But 7 lakh students, only 17.82% students only got qualified in the GATE marks. So already we are only 17.82% students are only clear the GATE examination. GATE examination needs to continuous effort, aspirants are full dedication and determination. So first, why we are only 17.82% only achieved means it's already we are it's one of the toughest and examinations in India. Students have to be fully focused on the preparing for the GATE examinations. It is generally a concept based examinations. You are all of them must know that it's generally concept based examinations. So all the students need to study concepts well, all the subjects. As we need to focus on this syllabus, and you must focus on the syllabus, concept oriented. You have to prepare the concept oriented for all the subjects. Then only you can able to clear the GATE examination. Always try to avoid negative people and negative environment. This is main important thing. But if you want to prepare the GATE examination, I want to clear the GATE exam. Two things are you must to follow full dedications and determinations. Students must have to focus on the preparing for the GATE exam. I recommend to this. I suggest to all the third year or engineering or science and technology students. You have to start from the second year. It's best way. From the second year, you have to start study from the second year. So you can able to write. You give a first attempt for the third year, and after that you can get clarity, clear idea from the third year. Then next you can attempt from another year for the fourth year. So almost you get to clear the gate examinations. So I request you all. First thing is, first you all must know that it's a concept-based examinations. You must know the basic concept. You can able to apply the concept. Definitely, you can clear the gate examinations. There is no doubt. Only students, you must focus on the syllabus, and based upon the syllabus you have to start to prepare accordingly, then only you can clear the gate examination. Okay, then next steps to be successful in the gate exam. Already I have said, strengthen the in-depth knowledge in the basic, and practice applying the basic to solve the gate problems, and the key practice you get a shortcuts. So if you are practicing the you continuous practicing, you get to know the shortcut. So because you have only 3 hours time, the questions asked in the problematic is maximum questions asked in the problematic, and some of the questions are the theoretical parts. So if you want to solve the problem, you must know the shortcut. So how do I to get a shortcut? So if you must need the practice. If you keep practice, if you give you more practice, then you can get a solve the problems very quickly. And the managing time is very much important. Next. Okay, following points as a gate aspirant, following points is very much important. First point, it is a determination. Determination give you a motivation to achieve our goal, and a make us energetic towards our goal. So self-determination is a theory of motivation dedicated to our ambitions or goals. So determination is more effective for every student to achieve their goal. And the next thing is self-confidence or belief. First thing is always believe in yourself. I can able to the write a gate examination. And then I can clear the gate exam in the first attempt. First believe yourself. It's very much essential. Self-confidence plays a vital role in the student's life, help in the preparation of the examination. If you're not having a self-confidence, definitely you can get a get a score in the high marks. So first I request you all self-confidence and believe yourself, and motivate by yourself. Don't underestimate your ability. You are all, everyone have equal talent. Everyone have some opportunities, and then everyone have some ability. So find your path. So never give up, my dear students and dear friends. So believe yourself. And then next thing is build a concept during the preparations. Build a concept during preparations means a gate examination. Already I said it's a conceptual based examinations. I request you all, first you have to collect the during the syllabus, during the exam preparations. Good knowledge of all the syllabus topics to help us in our exams. So also try to gain concept based knowledge. So first thing is based concept, how to improve the build the concept in the during the preparations. First thing is you have to collect the syllabus. First you have to choose the first topic. For example, I have to choose in the circuit theory means first you start to study from the basic to what are the given in the circuit theory in the syllabus. You have to starting from the basic things. So first understanding basic concept and apply the what you have studied in the basic. You can apply the concept, so you can able to write and easily the examination. And the next thing is practice. It's already everyone said that practice makes the man perfect. Without practice, you cannot get enough in your life. Practice is the act of doing something again and again in order to learn or improve yourself. So practice give you a knowledge about your drawback. Or if you're doing the practice, you know your drawbacks. What I am lacking, or what are the subjects I like. For example, if you are prepared, totally if you are applying the mechanical engineering, totally there are 10 subjects means first you have to start it from the pre-mechanics or manufacturing engineering means first you have to concentrate fully manufacturing engineering subject. From the basic to basic fundamental to full till end of the portions. to cover all the topics from the manufacturing engineering. Okay, so after complete the manufacturing engineering, so you have to write the mock test. You have to write the examination. So you know the ability. So if you get a good mark for the mock test, so you can go for the next. Then after that you can go for another subject. So it is a better way to study for the GATE examination, I think. Um, Nowadays some people, our students are for a big mistake is students, sir, I have studied the manufacturing study, manufacturing engineering, thermodynamics, and the fluid mechanics, and the theory of mechanics. There are several subjects in the GATE examination. So first 1 week I have concentrated the mechanical engineering, manufacturing engineering. So the next week, and then I go for the fluid mechanics, and another week I go for the theory of mechanics. It's well and good, okay, but if you complete the manufacturing engineering means, fine. If you complete means you just go through all the topics. It's not as much enough. You must conduct the examination. You have to practice. If it's very much important. Then after, right, if you are satisfied means you can go for the next subject. So practice is very much important, and then you have to collect the previous year question. You have to solve it. Also get know the pattern of the examination. So if you're doing the practice, you can find the mistake. What are the problems that I have made, and then what are the mistakes in I have made in the first attempt. So I will, if you found that, then after writing the next, after 1 month, you can rectify the mistake from the previous testers. So that's what I am insisting down to all. Practice is very much important for the GATE examination. And the next thing is self-evaluation. Self-evaluation is the process, is, systematically observe and analyze it, and evaluating your own professional activities and the result in order to improve it. Self-evaluation, analyze or observe what I have studied, what I was qualified, what you have. You identify that, you analyze by yourself, and then if you do the mistake in the previous steps, you can rectify. If you are doing the self-evaluation, you can rectify this mistake in the upcoming examinations. Same mistake do not happen the next time. So if you found that self-evaluations means mistakes do not happen the next time. So because the mistakes you have made in the exam, you can rectify them so that some same mistake do not happen in the exam. That's what that's what I want to convey with you. Next thing is revision. Revision, it's the most important key to success. It is a work of reading or studying again something you have learned, especially when preparing our examinations. During the preparations, we should keep revisions of our notes and keeps to study book, short notes several times. The revisions helps you remember the concept. The revisions, remember, it helps you to remember the concept. Your basic things. What you have to, when you are studying, preparing the GATE examinations, you have to keep writing the notes and take your books and give your short notes. What are the things that you have studied, and it helps to revise in the basic concept, remember the concept, and the knowledge of syllabus before preparation for any exams, not only GATE exam. It's very important to have a good knowledge of its syllabus. If your concentrate is some topics, but the topics are asked from the GATE 2021, but now their topics are ignored. Their topics are skipped. Some of the topics are removed from this in this year. For example, fluid mechanics. If you take the fluid mechanics subject, for example, flotations is one of the topics from the asking from the last year. But now in this year, the topic was removed. But you people are think that fluid mechanics, you can start from the top to bottom. First, it's the wrong practice. Before preparation for any exam, students very much is having good knowledge of what are the topics are asked from this syllabus, What are the topics are there in this syllabus? First, you have to connect the syllabus. Based upon the syllabus, you have to start prepare. Okay. So we need to know the complete the details of our syllabus. It's very much important. And the last point is take a test and take a test. It helps you to evaluate yourself. There are so many platforms there to conduct the mock test to take up on the candidates are part of the studying. The mock test help them to know that how many students they have done and how much more needs to be done. So you know that your capabilities and the ability to how to write the mock test in the every month, every week once you have to write the mock test. Then only you can improve yourself. You can rectify the mistakes. That's what I insisted to all the test is very much important and the practice also is very much important for the gate examinations. So these points are very important for all the gate aspirants. Yes, you want to write a gate examinations, it's very much important. Determination, first you have to prepare by yourself. Determinations and self-determinations and motivation by yourself. Determination and dedication is very much important. And self-confidence, believe yourself. I can able to write the gate exam and I can clear the qualify the gate exam for gate 2022. So believe yourself. If you believe yourself, definitely failure never failure. Believe yourself definitely will be achieved in your life. Okay. And then concept oriented preparations. The concept is very much important. Understanding the concept from the syllabus based upon the syllabus, you have to understand the concept, and then next thing to practice based upon the studies. You have to start the practice. The practice is to write the gate exam, or practice means not only writing the gate. Not only write the mock tests. You can discuss with your friends. You can discuss with your friends, teachers. So then get more knowledge about knowledge sharing is very essential process to get knowledge one to each other. So you can solve the previous year question paper. It's more important things. You get know the patterns and how to write exams. You get clear idea from the previous questions and self evaluation and the revisions for the most important key for our success, and knowledge of syllabus and take a test. These things are very important things. All the gate aspirants to must to be followed these things. And next. Uh, so why we fail in the life, or why we fail in the any examinations? See, first thing is um, first important thing is failure. A chance improve yourself from the mistake. If you are success, no one think about your past failure. If you give up after failure, people think you are not fit to the success. It does not matter how many times you are failed. Never give up. So, sir, I have written the first attempt, I have written second and third attempts. I not clear the gate examinations, sir. So it's I think I am unfit for the gate exam. So it's wrong practice. Not like that. Believe yourself. Failure. It's not at all matter. For the gate examination, you can able to write. There is no age limit. First, you keep in mind there is no age limit for the gate examinations. So, if the how many times are you failed? It's nothing to worry. You can get improve your mistake. If you're not failure, you don't know the mistake. So failure it means that you take it as a positive way, a chance to improve yourself from the mistakes. So how many times I failed? How many times I written so many times for the gate exam, but I'm not clear the gate examinations. So I'm very disappointed, sir. Some of the students have said to me. So it's no worries, my dear students and dear friends. It's a failure is rectify our mistakes and improve yourself. So I for the gate, if you want to prepare the gate examination, I will have some few points about how to prepare the gate examination, how to crack the gate examination. These are the things already studied. The first thing is you have started from the second year. For my personal suggestion, you have to start it from the second year, and then if you fixed your mind, if you want to get, if you want to go for higher studies in the IITs or NITs or IIScs, or else I want to go for the job for the top companies, government aided organizations like Bell, Gale, some other Indian naval liquid limits, some other Indian oil and gas, some other companies if you want. First thing is, before you are starting the exam, if you prepare the gate examination, you have to fix your goal. It's a very important thing. So I want to go for IIT. So that's what I want. I'm going to. That's the reason I want to study the gate. I want to go for the well, or else I want to go for the oil and gas industry. That's what I want to write the gate examination. Before any examinations, not only gate examinations, my dear students, dear friends, any kind of examination, first you have to fix your goal. Okay, if you fix the goal, you have to start prepare accordingly. And second thing is, I already said you have to start prepare from the second year, and then you have to segregate. There are, for example, mechanical engineering or computer science engineering. There are totally more than 10 or 12 topics are asked from the gate examinations. So first, you know what are the topics are. I can able to write, and I can able to easily understand. First, you have to collect the topic and identify the topics. Then, after identify the topics, you can prepare. Okay. Second point is, uh, first thing is you have to start prepare from the second year. Then you have to collect the syllabus from the gate portal. Then based upon the syllabus, you have to prepare accordingly. First, I want to prepare first topics from the manufacturing engineering, and then you have to prepare schedule. Schedule is very much important. Based upon the schedule, and you have to prepare accordingly. And then after that, you have to write the mock test in the now in number of times. Practice is very much important. So then only you can clear the gate examinations. Without practice, without any tests, very difficult to get clear gate examinations. Okay, this is a wonderful forum. So you can able you are can if you are clear the gate examinations, you can able to write TNPSC or IESC or stock selection commissions. You can get some the same topics are asking from the IES or else SSC and Tamil Nadu Public Service Examination. Any examination they are asking the same kind of syllabus. So easily to write and you can clear the examination. So whatever examination, first you have to fix your goal. Your main thing is objectives is very much important. My objectives, I want to go for IIT or Bell, or working for want to work for Bell or oil and gas. These are the objectives. Okay. First thing, objective, you have to fix the objectives, and then you have to correct the syllabus. Next thing is to prepare accordingly. Based upon the syllabus, you have to understand the basic concept from the textbook. You must to follow the textbook, and you have to collect the previous year question paper. You have to write you can solve the question from the previous year question. So you can get some idea about what are the patterns of the asking, how much weightage of the questions are the asking from the gate examination. So you can get clear idea from the gate examination. Okay, next, next. I'll give you some useful websites. Next, India Bix. India Bix also there are several questions are there. You can able to write the mock test. These are the website you can able to prepare any technical and interview preparations you can, it's very much helpful for you. Next, gear up and explore and find your path, and all the best, my dear, all the young uh, gate aspirants. If you want to write the gate examinations, wish you all the very best, my dear students and dear friends. See, if we, one thing is important, for example, public sector units, they are offering the several jobs, graduate engineer postings. If you are qualified the gate examination, you can join the graduate engineering positions from that company. So main thing is, gate score is 70% based upon the interview performance. Then only you can join this particular company. It's, you just keep in mind. And then I hope you are all understand from this webinar. I wish you all the very best, my dear students and dear friends, for your upcoming gate examination. Wish you all the very best. If you have any queries, you can post your chat box. I will rectify your doubts. First, we all know that all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have equal opportunity to develop our talents. In our country is also there. Every webinar I have said these quotes. Everyone have an equal talent, but not having equal talent. But here we have an equal opportunities to develop our talent. So develop your talent. That definitely will be achieved in your life. Once again, I wish you congratulate and all the best to all the young get aspirants, and wish you all the very best, my dear students and friends. Thank you so much. For further queries, you can contact this number. Thank you.
Participants,
Thank you.
any queries, please put the chat box. Any queries for today's session? Sir Logaraja, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, thank you for your wonderful presentation for the GATE 2022, sir. So no queries
Okay,
in
okay.
the participant side. Any queries, we will mail and message on this number for Logaraja, sir. Any doubt for future GATE preparation or any? So once again,
If
thank
you
you.
have, dear participants, if you have any doubts, you can send a message or you can send a mail. Definitely, I will clarify your doubts. Whatever doubts you can, if you want to, if you have any hesitate to ask any questions, means nothing to worry about. You can just post message or post a chat box, or else you can send a mail. Definitely, I will help you and then guide you also. And then final thing is, you can go to the gate exam gate website, IIT Kharagpur. You can check the gate. There are information. There are available in the information brochure. You can get know all the information from the website. Meantime, if you have any doubts, means you can ask. Feel free to contact me. Um, Contact me. Okay. Thank you. First, I would like to thank you for organizing committee and the PTR Constructions Managing Director, Mr. Engineer or Uday Shankar sir, for giving a wonderful chance to deliver my experience and my knowledge. Thank you so much for giving a wonderful opportunity, sir. And also on the organizing committee and the PTR construction team. Thank you so much for giving opportunities, and thank you all for participants from the various uh, state and country. And thank you so much. Thank you, Uday Shankar sir. Thanks a lot, and
Thank you,
thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the wonderful presentations.
Uh, thank you.
Participants, I put the feedback form or attendance link in chat box. Please fill the feedback form for validity only for 5 minutes. It's taken from only live participants count only. Okay, the count will be taken from live participants. Is only valid for 5 minutes. After 5, it's not be taken for the certificate count. You will receive the certificate within 5 working days. Okay, thank you for all. Thank you, sir. Logarithms.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You may leave it, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you.